In this video, we will walk through the assembly process for the switch, LEDs, and battery of the Minecraft clicker.
To begin the build, we'll assemble the Minecraft-style pickaxe. The pickaxe is printed in two separate parts, the pickaxe head and the handle. Start by applying a small amount of glue to the connection point on the handle. Next, repeat the same assembly process for the second side of the pickaxe. Once both halves are fully assembled, we need to glue both sides together. Apply glue along the inner surface, then carefully join both sides together. Make sure both sides are aligned evenly. After the glue has cured, the pickaxe is now fully assembled and ready for the next step. Now we'll assemble the internal electronics for the clicker. If you just need a normal clicker, just install the switch and skip this process. First, create the negative battery connector using a piece of copper wire. Feed the wire through the designated holes and follow the built-in guide rails along the print. Once positioned correctly, trim away any excess wire, then press it neatly into place to secure the connection. You need two 5mm LEDs. The longer leg is usually the positive side. To confirm the polarity, quickly test each LED using a coin battery before installation. The positive leg will insert into the vertical hole, while the negative leg rests inside the guide rail. For easier assembly, bend the negative leg slightly first. Then carefully push the LED into its slot until fully seated. Tidy up the negative leg to rest in the guide rail. Repeat the same process for the second LED. Now it's time to install the switch. This uses a standard mechanical keyboard switch. Align the metal pins with the mounting holes, then press firmly into place. The fit may feel tight, but this helps keep the switch secure during use. Next, assemble the bottom half to form the battery holder. Pay close attention to the orientation as the pegs and holes are intentionally different sizes to prevent incorrect installation. Carefully guide the LED legs through their matching holes while lowering the bottom section into place. Once aligned, press down on all four corners until the assembly snaps together securely. Now bend the LED legs inward into the battery compartment. It would be easier by using a long nose if you have one. These bent legs will act as the positive battery contacts. Finally, insert the coin battery into the holder. Press the switch, and the LEDs should light up successfully.